checking this video out, then chances are you have a 4th Gen Eclipse and want to take your passenger seat out. And we're going to start by removing the negative terminal from the battery and letting the car sit for about 15 minutes. After the car is sat for a little bit, allowing electricity to leave the system, we're going to head to the back of the passenger seat and remove these plastic guards to get access to two 14mm bolts. But first, on the other side, you'll see that there's another bolt, and that's going to be a 17mm. But we're going to start by taking this one side out. Comes out pretty easily. You might want a decent length ratchet, get some torque, some leverage behind it, get it out a lot easier. Coming over to the other side, we're going to get that bolt out for the seatbelt first, allow us to get that plastic piece off a little easier, and then give us access to that other 14mm bolt. Once done around back, we're going to come up front, slide the seat all the way back, and get access to the two front nuts, which are going to be 14mm as well. And once we have both of those out, it's time to remove the connectors for the passenger airbag system. Once disconnected, we now have the opportunity to start moving the seat around and get it in place to pull out. This seat isn't too terribly heavy, but if you feel a little unsure, have someone help you. And with that, we've got your passenger seat out. And we have these exposed connectors left over. Just to be safe, I'm putting a little plastic baggie over top and a zip tie, just so nothing gets in the connectors. With that all done, you have now successfully removed your passenger seat from your 4th Gen Eclipse. And if you guys haven't already checked out the previous video in this little mini series, we removed the rear seat, so go ahead and check that out if you need to. But with that all done, I'll see you guys in the next one.